guys, long time no see. Welcome or welcome back to my channel.
They call me sassy.
So hi guys, it's been long since I filmed like a sit down video. I'm excited. Anyway, today we have her and I'm going to be using her today. That's because like I looked around, I'm like, I don't have any wig to wear but this one, so I'm like, you know, why not? But the thing is that I'm not going to be making a full install. I'm just going to do like teeny tiny bits because I want to take this off by this night when I come back. So what I just want to do is just like really small layer of stuff. I don't have much time to talk because I have a birthday dinner. One of the friends I met here, his birthday is today, so oh god, and it's smelling. It's smelling. Let me not go and shoge and now be smelling of dirty wig. Oh god, can I bear the smell of this thing? Omo, I beg. God day. So it's kind of like not as fit as it's meant to be. Plus, like, maybe it's just because the hair is heavy. That is why. Let's just pack this to the back and then deal with the front. Like I said, nothing much. Just a quick install to hold everything in place. I honestly don't know where to start from. I think that's one of the reasons why I haven't even used this wig. Where should I go? Where should I begin? Are we gonna do more bit of oh god, I've not used any product on my hair for a long time. Bro, I'm not so sure this lifestyle is for me anymore. Can you stay please? I don't have time for all of this. Where's my hair dryer? This thing is really stuck. Because I'm too impatient, let's go to the next step. Let's even see if this thing has laid down. If it has not laid down, now go and do my back, because times 1 million. But regardless, it's looking good. You people, I'm rethinking this my no glue option. Why I need to take this off? I cannot be bothered though. Please, I beg. I have assignments I've not even completed. This wig I should be bothered about. Weko. There are more important things to life. At least, even if I don't do it perfectly, part of it is perfect enough. Don't disturb me. When next I'm ready to be serious in my life, I'll do it well. But for now, no to the I to the no. But it's not bad. Once I do makeup like that, it's over for all of you. So if you guys have not watched the video on how I made this wig, please go and watch it though. If you have not watched the video on how I made this wig, go and watch it. Forget that I'm talking calmly. I tell you now, I forbid you from watching this video any further if you have not watched that one. Or rather, complete this video and go and watch that one. I hate installing wigs so much. Like, what on earth is this wahala that you people have done in this planet Earth? Like, you cannot just... Give me my ear. You people like play. I'll not actually install this thing very well. I need to look normal tomorrow morning. So even if it doesn't grow, that's fine. But it's not looking beautiful. It's actually looking good. I beg. It's too early to start putting myself down when I've not even gone halfway. This is the problem with me. I need to learn how to, you know, how to embrace my process. Every single time when I've not even reached halfway, I'm already like, well, I beg, this will not turn out okay. And at the end of the day, it ends up turning out okay. I'm just like, no, you're calming down. Cool, you're calming down. This life is not, it's not as the world has painted it though. Not me reciting Dima Ome's intro in my head while installing this wig. And the funny thing is that she doesn't even do wig on her channel. Gosh. Am I an obsessed follower? Maybe. But the funny thing is that I've not even watched her video in a while. So, don't blame me. Oh God, why do I feel like... Yeah, my ear is not having it. I feel like I'll end up cutting like 2 braids out. So all my effort to do this thing, I'm going to waste like that. Hey, God that has made me in this world, see what your daughter is doing to me. So my past effort like this, God. And I think about destroying this wig. No, it's better. Alright, now that it's better, where are these ABS? Comfort, I beg of you, don't let me look for it. Okay, so this one is cooperating. But the funny thing is that the left side of my face never actually cooperates with me. No, it cooperates with me in Jesus' name. Okay. Where should I go? Where should I begin? Oh, Moyo is going to go and do nonsense. Oh, I beg, don't stress me. I need to get ready and move out. Should I do my edges or I should calm down first? Let me solve this problem. Funny love, you better in here. But Loki, where's the lace? Where's the lace? You can't see. So if you have not watched my video, what are you waiting for? I should not even be telling you. Go and watch it so you can make your own. Alright, let's do these edges and then move on with our lives, because whatever is going on here has to go. This hair, I don't ask you for your suggestion, no. Cause Jeje ni mojoko. Where are that brush? Okay, sit here. Now let's do the makeup. I'll be back. All right, humans, I'm done. I'm going to cover my bathroom. This is it. This is the wig. So yeah, if you haven't watched the install, please go and watch it. I said install. If you haven't watched the video of how I did the hair, please go and watch it, and see you guys in my next video. So let me show you my outfit. So goodbye.
Don't call me midnight. just want someone to love me.